In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Twitch chat in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have your live chat showing right inside your OBS scene so you can follow conversations without switching windows, and your audience can see it on stream too. First, sign in to your Streamlabs account. This is where we'll generate a chat overlay. Once you're in the dashboard, open the widgets section and find the chat box. This widget creates a live, browser-based version of your Twitch chat that OBS can display as a source. Inside the chat box settings, look for the unique widget URL. This is the key that connects your chat to OBS. While you're here, take a moment to customize the look and behavior of your chat. You can adjust themes, colors, whether emotes and badges show, message fade, timing, and background transparency. Setting the background to transparent is a great choice if you want the chat to sit neatly over your gameplay or camera without a solid box. When you're happy, copy the widget URL to your clipboard. Keep this URL private, treat it like a key to your overlay. Now switch to OBS Studio. In the Sources panel for the scene where you want chat to appear, click the plus icon and choose Browser. This tells OBS to load a web page as a visual source. Give the source a clear name like chat, then paste the widget URL into the URL field. Below that, set the resolution. A common setup is 1920 for width and 1080 for height, which matches a standard 1080p canvas. If your OBS base canvas is different, match these numbers to your canvas for crisp rendering. You can always resize the source directly in your preview later, but starting with your canvas size often looks the sharpest. Leave custom CSS alone unless your widget provider instructs otherwise, and confirm to add the source. Back on the Streamlabs page, you can keep refining the font size, font style, colors, and other display options. If you're using Stream Elements for styling instead, adjust those settings on their site in the same way. Anytime you make changes, return to OBS, right-click the browser source, and refresh it so updates appear immediately. Position your chat where you want it in the scene by dragging the red bounding box and scale it as needed. A thin right edge column or a small box above your camera frame are both popular layouts. Send a quick test message in your Twitch chat to verify it shows up, and you're ready to go. Enjoy streaming with your chat visible right inside OBS.